This video is showing the open and close operations of an L&L special furnace model WQH42772 bell lift furnace. These operations are being shown in real time, where it takes a little more than 1 minute for the bell to open to its fullest extent. As the video shows, once the furnace is fully opened, the operator has access to the heating chamber from the front or either side for ease in loading and unloading. The bell of the WQH is counterbalanced and is opened and closed using a brake motor and roller chain system. This allows for both quiet and efficient operation, and it only requires a single button press from an operator for the bell to either fully open or fully close. The heating chamber of the WQH is a ceramic fiber lined and utilizes electric resistance heating elements. This model is designed with a work zone of 72 inches wide by 24 inches high by 24 inches deep. The WQH furnace is typically used for annealing either quartz or borosilicate glass, which requires maximum temperature of up to 2200 degrees Fahrenheit or 1200 degrees Celsius. This model also includes optional castable hearth support piers. These piers add the dual benefit of both permitting a heavier thermal load, in this case 1,000 pounds, as well as being able to load and unload the chamber using a fork truck. For more information on this or any other L&L special furnace product, please visit our website at www.llfurnace.com, or you can email our sales team directly at sales@llfurnace.com.